Are you tired of flimsy camping chairs that sink into the dirt or break? After a few uses, say goodbye to uncomfortable outdoor seating and meet the Overmont Oversized Camping Chair. Engineered with heavy-duty steel and reinforced double-layer fabric, this chair easily supports up to 450 pounds while giving you the ultimate lounge experience. Whether you're camping, fishing, or relaxing in your backyard, its ergonomic, high-back design and extra-wide seat ensure maximum comfort all day long. Plus, it features built-in cup holders and side storage pockets to keep your drinks, phone, and gear right at your fingertips. It folds down in seconds and comes with a durable carry bag, making transport completely hassle-free. Upgrade your outdoor comfort today. Grab yours now using the official Amazon link located in the video description below.